welcome back to my channel. Today I want to talk about all the evening recipes that you should definitely give it a try, because to me they are extremely healthy and nutritious, and given that we go out of options by 4 p.m. I feel you should definitely bring this to your kitchen. So let's just begin. Alright, so the first recipe on the list is my favorite, and it is paneer popcorn. I have borrowed this recipe and I have learned this recipe from FitTuber. So if you have not watched my transformation journey and how I got from fat to fit, my weight loss drinks, how I cured my acne, and basically my transformation journey and my diet, I'll link it everything in the description box below. Make sure you check it out. So let's just begin. The first recipe on the list is paneer popcorn. It is my personal favorite and it is highly nutritious for a 4 p.m. snack. So to make paneer popcorn, you will need freshly chopped paneer. With freshly chopped paneer, you will need a few masalas, besan and rava. Now to make paneer popcorn, chop the paneer cubes for the quantity you want. After chopping the paneer cubes, make in another plate, make a mixture of the masalas. Now I have included the following ingredients or masalas. You can do plus and minus based on your choice and taste. Apart from that, when you put the paneer into the masalas and you finely mix it, after that step, mix the masala coated paneer into rava, just like that, and you will get this kind of look or shape. After which we are going to shallow fry it, and for that I'm using ghee, a lot of ghee, because I'm not a big fan of oil. You can use any type of oil based on your preferences, but make sure you do not use a lot of it because we are intending to be healthy here. After that, take a pan, put some ghee in it and put the paneer cubes in it. Shallow fry it until it turns brown and you're ready to consume. Believe me, it is highly very tasty. The next recipe I have for you is legit out of the blue, and I have legit just mixed my 3 favorite ingredients into one and made it a recipe. So the next recipe on the list is paneer, I don't know what to call it. I have roasted the paneer. So for the recipe, take a pan, put some ghee in it, mix some jeera in it, let the jeera splutter. After the jeera splutters, add 3 or 4 pieces of garlic based on your taste and preferences, of course. Let the garlic splutter and spread a smell, the exact garlic smell, you know what I mean, right? After which add paneer and shake it well. Believe me, this is just, I am in love with this recipe, and I probably eat this a lot throughout a day or in a week. The next thing on the list is makhana. Now I don't know why people don't like consuming makhana, but I choose to have this makhana instead of any other. Now to make makhana, take a pan, put some ghee in it, add the desired amount of makhana and stir it constantly so that a taste is added. And this is the best kind of evening snack that you can have. It just takes 5 or 10 minutes and a little extra effort, and that's all. The next thing on the list is peanut butter. Oh my god, this peanut butter literally tastes heaven. It gives you a chocolatey taste with that perfect pinch of chocolate. Oh my god, you should definitely give this a try. I have mixed this peanut butter with rice cakes or with roti, or just put it in a Frankie. Do weird things with it. It is your choice. Next thing on the list is turmeric milk. No, it is not cringy. I don't know why people underestimated it. when if I say turmeric milk in some foreign language as turmeric latte, it is Instagrammy and people are going to have it. But if I say turmeric milk, I don't know why people run away from it. Maybe because it is not Instagram worthy. To make turmeric milk, all I do is, this is not the authentic recipe but this is my choice. So all I do is take a pan, patila, add some milk in it, add some turmeric, put a little bit of ghee in it and let it boil, and that is turmeric milk for me. So yeah, that's it for today. I hope you like it. Make sure to give it a like, share, subscribe and check out my other videos, and we'll stay connected. Bye.